going to use this for growing parsley. Now, I've already purchased my organic parsley seeds, and I have at least 80 seeds in here. Well more seeds than I need, but this will guarantee that I have a great crop this year. I wanted to put it in something small so that I can sit it outside and let it get the natural sunlight as needed, water it easily without carrying a huge jug outside, and when I'm ready to use it, I can simply bring it in the house and clip as needed. Now, while preparing for this video, it looks like I left home with 2 right-handed gloves. Oh, well, it's too late to go back and change. I always try to use gloves when I garden. Well, I'm trying. So I put some organic dirt in this container. I'm just going to fill it up. This is just to show you that really you can garden with anything. For those of you that have been subscribed to my channel for any length of time, it's particularly over the last 12 years, you know that I used to do gardening videos all the time. A huge garden I had. Nowadays, I still garden, but not so much. I grew so much food in the past, it was just more than I could use, more than I could share with the neighbors, more than I could can. So now I'm doing a lot less. So again, I'm just filling up my container with dirt. This is organic dirt. I like to use organic soil. Also, I keep calling it dirt. For you massive gardeners, I know you're going to comment down below, it's soil, not dirt. You're right, this is soil. If you take a close look at this soil, you'll see like little wood chips in there. Can you see that? Little wood chips. It's perfect. It's going to continue to break down and compost. It's wonderful. Now, if you take a look, I have filled it mostly up to the rim. Just want to take a little out. But it's filled mostly to about right here, the opening mouth of the jar, not the top. And now I'm simply going to take my parsley seeds and spread them around. Again, this is well more than you need, but I have found each year in purchasing organic seeds that if I don't use them, I save them to the next year and I continue to use them. Well, eventually, they don't seem to grow. Last year, I tried some gardening with old seeds, and well, my gardening was terrible last year. I basically spent a lot of money on organic dirt and harvest about nothing for the most part. So since I have plenty of organic seeds, I'm just going to spread them all around. And now that I have them in, I'm going to cover them lightly with some soil. Not much soil is needed. Now, if you like parsley, you are in for a wonderful surprise. Parsley grows so well. As a matter of fact, it's one of those plants that will completely take over. It's something that typically at my home, I don't have to plant every year because, like I said, it takes over. You plant it in your garden bed, and then before you know it, it's outside of the garden bed. It's everywhere, but it smells wonderful. And if it was organic gardening that you're doing, well, you have an herb that's always going to be there for you, continuously reseeding automatically. Okay, all done.